back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm gonna review my headphones and my keyboard. Wait, what? You were wondering what is this? This is a keyboard, guys. You don't believe me? Alright. See? You just need to open this one like this and voila. There, like, seriously. It's so cool, isn't it? There. Okay, open it. Oh, there. It has a magnet here so it can stick together. This is like the original one, but the original one you cannot fold it. It's impossible to fold it. But this one is actually half, but here it has something here. Guys, you can actually do that. I don't know what, I don't even know what is that. What is that? Oh, the phone. Sorry, the other phone. And it will look at this. I don't know what is that, but it has a magnet there, and you need to do you need to Bluetooth your phone so you can connect to this one. You just need to on this one and connect that. I don't want to on it. So where were we? Let's move on to my headphones. I already reviewed my review. Okay, yeah. And here my unicorn earphones. Look at this. It's so cool. So you can put it here, obviously. Like that, Papa. My dad has this too. Like, seriously. And you can bend it, like, seriously, like that. Bend it like this. It's just so cool. But be careful of it because it's expensive. It's like 1,000? Is it 1,000? Yeah, it is. And this keyboard is it 1,000 too? Yeah, okay. Got it. So yeah, that's all for today. Please like and subscribe. And like and share. Share this video and subscribe right there, guys. Bye!